Hey YouTubers, Mike Boris with the Mike Boris channel. Thank you for watching. Today we're talking plumbing and we want to review and help you get more familiar with a slit press fit tub faucet or spout, whatever you want to call it. Let's take a look. Alright YouTubers, inside the bathroom now, and as you can see I have the shower handle in the full off position. I've got the spout removed. Here is the copper pipe that comes out of the shower wall, and right here is the spout. This is a press fit design, a Moen brand, and when it comes time to remove the old spout and install the new spout, it is a very friendly project. And as you can see, there is a hex screw at the very bottom right there, and that feeds in to the internal thread, and as you tighten the screw, it will tighten the internal clamp to the copper pipe. And not sure if you can see it, however, inside there is a rubber O-ring that creates a watertight seal. So as you insert the new spout on the copper pipe, you will align it and carefully push it in. And once you get about here, you can feel the copper pipe make contact with the rubber O-ring, and you will carefully push until it is all the way secure. And at that point, you can tighten the screw, which will hold the spout in place on the copper pipe. And again, that rubber O-ring inside this press fit spout is what creates that watertight seal, as you can see inside there. Pretty cool design and option when it comes time to install a new spout.